Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see the and or operator in Selenium XPath. Okay, so and or operator or the expressions are used when you want to use more than two attributes to find a particular web element. Okay, till now we have used only one attribute and its value in order to find or locate a web element. Okay, but now we will use two attributes and their value in order to locate a web element. So the format for this is as usual, just few changes in the conventional format of the XPath. That is / tag name @attribute is equals to value and @attribute is equals to value. So this is the first attribute and its value, and this is the second attribute and its value. Okay, and same goes with the or operator. So let us do the live hands-on and then see what basically this and or operator in Selenium XPath is. Okay, so let us move to the salesforcedeveloper.com, and then we are over the start your free trial page. And now let us inspect this first name. Okay, so this website we have been using since long, so I hope that you're familiar with this website, and that is why I'm using again and again, so that you can relate more. Okay, you can try it over some other websites like SourceDemo or Sugar CRM websites. Okay, so now you can see that we have various attributes for the first name placeholder. You can see type is equals to text and name is equals to user first name. So let us press Ctrl F over here and then start typing our XPath in the conventional way. So / tag name is input obviously, and then we will provide square brackets and then @attribute is equals to value. So the first attribute which we are going to use is basically type is equals to text. So type is equals to, and then single inverted comma, text. Okay, so you can see that 1 of 5 is being highlighted over here. So you can see that one attribute is not enough to locate this particular first name web element. So we need a second attribute. Okay, so that is where we use the and operator. Okay, so and the second attribute we're going to choose is name is equals to user first name. So let me copy this user first name, and then I am typing here name is equals to user. Okay, let me paste it in the single inverted comma. That is why I have copied. Okay, so we have forgotten the @, so we need to put here @, and you can see that it has highlighted this particular first name placeholder. When I'm placing my mouse over this particular input tag, the first name is getting highlighted, and it is 1 of 1 also. So our XPath is unique. So if we paste this particular XPath into our script and then we send keys like hello new user, so it will enter hello new user over this first name place. Okay, so or the placeholder. So let us try with the or operator. So if we type here or, then you can see 1 of 5 are being highlighted. So there are 5 kind of web elements having the type is equals to text or name is equals to user first name, any one of them. Okay, you can see here name type is equals to text. Okay, and then again here type is equals to text, and then again here type is equals to text. So we have to use the or operator or the and operator according to the situation, and I hope that you can understand by your virtue that where to use or and where to use and operator. Okay, so let us paste the and operator and then copy this particular XPath, and then open our script and paste it over here. Control V, and then dot. Now we are going to write dot send keys and then hello new user. Okay, so this is what we are going to type over that particular placeholder. So now let us run the script after erasing the console. So the script began to run, and then the Chrome driver successfully opened, and it opened the salesforcedeveloper.com page and start my free trial, and it entered hello new user over the first name placeholder. You can see here clearly. Okay, so and it closed the browser after 5 seconds because we have given a thread.sleep of 5 seconds. Okay, so first we navigated to salesforce.com, start my free trial page, and then we maximize the window, and then we located that particular first name placeholder. Okay, this particular placeholder via our XPath, this particular XPath, and then we pasted it over here, and then the script identified that particular first name placeholder and entered our given keys hello new user over that particular placeholder. Okay, so this was the and or operator in the Selenium XPath. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.